AI video generators are advancing every day. Look at this video. It's not real, it was generated by AI from these images. Can you believe that Newton is wearing sunglasses? This one was also created from an image. Here's another one. Look at the quality. This video was created from a simple text prompt. All of the videos were generated with a brand new AI video generator called Polo AI. Today, I'll share how to access Polo AI and generate outstanding videos. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and search for Polo AI. After getting the search results, open the first link. This is the Polo AI homepage. To start creating videos, click on the Try Polo AI button. It will redirect you to the video generator platform. Before we start creating the video, we need to create an account. To do so, click here and then create your account. Alright, our account has been created. Now, on the left side of the page, you'll find three options. Image to video to turn any still image into a video, text to video to generate videos from text prompts, and your creation to find the videos generated by us. Let's start with the text to video feature. After navigating to the text to video option, enter the text prompt in this box. If you're not an expert in prompt writing, you can use the Generate with AI feature. Here, you just enter the basic idea, and the AI will create detailed prompts for you. You just have to select one. However, I'll start with a very basic prompt. For example, I'm typing, a beautiful model walking on a sea beach, dressed in a summer dress, barefoot, realistic, UHD. After entering the prompt, you need to set the mode. There are two options, standard and professional. Professional mode takes longer to generate videos but provides higher video quality. Next, set the aspect ratio of your video. You can generate videos in landscape, portrait, or square sizes. Then, adjust the prompt strength. If you slide this bar to the right, it will follow the prompt more closely. If you slide it to the left, it will be more creative. After that, set the video length. You can generate 5-second or 10-second videos. Additionally, we have camera control. So if you want to use camera effects like horizontal, vertical, zoom in, pan, or rolling effects, it's up to you. One more interesting feature is the negative prompts. Here you can enter what you don't want in your video. Once everything is set, hit the Create button. It will take some time to generate the video, so let's fast forward this part. And here it is. Our video is ready. You can see the result. It generates a very realistic video, but the quality is not quite up to the mark. There's no face in the video, and the quality could be better. I generated this 5-second video in standard mode. Now let's try generating the video in professional mode. I'm just changing the mode and hitting the Generate button. After waiting a bit, I got this result. Let's have a look. Now look at this 5-second video. The difference is clearly visible. This time, Polo AI produced an outstanding result. So, if you want high-quality results, you should use professional mode. Now let's dive deeper. I'll use a very complex prompt with a challenging task. This time, I'll use professional mode and set the video length to 10 seconds. Since this will take longer, let's fast forward. And here it is, the video is ready. This is a decent video. I love the result. Although there are some issues, such as the foot movement not being very natural and the character not looking entirely realistic, it resembles a cinematic shot. The scene is 10 seconds long, and it maintains scene and character consistency. The lighting and composition are very intense and cinematic. So far, I've been generating realistic videos. Let's try generating an anime-style video. I'm entering a prompt for a Ghibli-style video. After entering the prompt, set the other settings and hit the Create button. And here is our Ghibli-style video result. The video looks like a perfect anime. The quality is good, though not the best. Perhaps because we used standard mode to generate the video. Alright, that was the text to video feature. Now let's try the image to video feature. After reaching this page, click here and upload the image. I'm uploading this image. After uploading, if you want to add an end frame, turn on this option, and you can add an end frame image. I'll skip this step for now. Next, add a text prompt in this box. You can skip this too. This time, let's generate a video without any prompt. Now, set the mode, length, negative prompt, and hit the Create button. Here is the auto-generated video from our image. It's a decent video, though it has some issues. We can resolve a few of them by adding a prompt. I'm typing a prompt where both characters are hugging each other. This time, I'll generate the video in professional mode. Alright, let's hit the Create button. Here's the resulting video. Honestly, this is the best result we've seen from Polo AI. I love it. It's amazing. Now let's conclude. Polo AI generates very decent videos, but there are some major issues that could hold it back compared to competitors. The first issue is that it doesn't offer any free credits to try the tool. You need to buy a subscription to try it, and the cost is quite high. You have to pay $15 for 300 credits, and every 10-second video costs 80 credits. Another issue is the prompt size limitation. You can't enter more than 200 characters, which limits the complexity and richness of prompts. Most importantly, the video quality still has room for improvement. In all the example videos, Polo AI didn't generate any faces. A clever move perhaps, but limiting. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before we go, I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Polo AI video generator. Share your experiences and results in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.